you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek, but your hair isn't neat, gotta run.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ronsay, and today, before I start, I want to first of all say I'm really sorry that I couldn't upload last week, but this week I'm back with a new tutorial. This is the hair that I use. On the top, I use 2 packs of expressions, the color red. I use 1 pack of this yellow, and then for the green, I use 1.5 packs, 4.5 packs for this whole wig. The wig is super light. Like, I love these colors, okay? Because I think a lot of girls would like to try something bold. But so you have to be bold sometimes. You know, you have to be bold sometimes. And this is what I try, and I just love this wig. So I'm gonna stop right here and let you guys watch the tutorial. Don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye. So first, I'm gonna pin down the lace on the wig cap and use the needle and thread and sew it round. And after that, I'm going to use a scissor and cut off the excess areas. So for this tutorial, I am using a wig cap, a mannequin head, and of course a lace, because the lace is so important for most of my tutorials on wigs, because I like creating my own natural wigs that, you know, looks like a lace closure but which is not. So I mostly create my own lace, and this is what it looks like after sewing and cutting it off. And now I am going to start with the yellow hair. I am pulling the strands. As you can see, they're not really tiny, but this is what it looks like after combing the hair through. I have done the same thing with all of the hairs, okay? And for one strand, I split the hair into 2 and install the first half of the hair with a crochet hook, and then I use the other half and start braiding. So I'm gonna continue braiding until I get to the equal length, like so, and then I'm gonna attach the yellow hair and continue braiding. I also gotta make sure that the yellow hair will also get to the same length that I want, and then I will attach the green hair, and that's the final attachment for each strand.
FMG tsimdis. Me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for sky, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. But well, them be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide upon you owner. Ready for the show you love, man no go blunder. Aye, man no go blunder.
All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. They say me having a fast. Oh oh.
They say bone we big now hats for the sweller.
I like you cool as yes.
FMG Timless.
Hey ah.
Girl, I love you. Yeah, man. Extra large can see.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. You know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Oh yeah. They say me having a fast smoke. La 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 la. They say me having a for drink. La 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 la. Watch it, 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 watch it. La 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 la. You know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo.
They say bone we big now hats for the sweller. Aye, well, me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for sky, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. But well, them be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide upon you owner. Ready for the show you love, man no go blunder. Aye, man no go blunder.
All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. They say me having a fast smoke. La 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 la. They say me having a for drink. La 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 la. Watch it, 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 watch it. You take me as your somebody. I take it as my somebody. You know if I look nobody. See what I tell you, do fizzy one.
Baby, love me,
You love me, oh.
all the talking I've been seen there.
Why, oh.
Baby, love me,
I love you, oh.
all the talk me not be seen there.
They say me having a for smoke. La 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 la. They say me having a for drink. La 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 la. Watch it, 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 watch it. La 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 la. You know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why yo. La 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 la.
Your favorite boy, Dickish on the mix.
Oh.
So for the lace, I am going to use the same crochet hook because all the braids are the same.
Me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for guy, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. Well, then be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide the you owner. Ready for the show you love, man no go blunder. Man, you no go blunder. All the day when they talk about me, you no do me why yo. Girl, you no do me why yo. All the day when they talk about me, you no do me why yo. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la. You take me as your somebody. I take it as my somebody. You never look nobody. See what I tell you, you do fizzy one.
So what you want to do after installing all your box braids, you want to dip the hair in hot water and leave the wig to dry, leave the hair to dry, and after that, this is what it looks like. So now you have the final result, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.